teaching me a thing or two back in the day. I got so much love for this guy. Thank you for coming out and doing this, Marcus. Thank you. So, my story starts 10 years ago. Some of you guys were around, some of you are just discovering it. But I'm glad all of you are here tonight to share. Close your eyes and let's take a trip back. Let's do this.
Tonight, looking into your eyes, and it's you, and it's me, love. And it's you, and it's me, love. You never know who's waiting.